Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great and staying positive. Welcome back to my channel for yet another video. So guys, today I will be talking about what is scripting. Oh, and guys, please stick around until the end of this video where we'll be doing scripting together to cultivate a positive mindset. So guys, now the most important question is, what is scripting? Scripting refers to the practice of writing down your goals, desires, and intentions in a specific and detailed way. It's like writing a script for your ideal life, hence the name. Scripting involves number 1, clarifying your goals and desires. Number 2, writing your goals and desires in present tense as if they already exist. Number 3, focusing only on the positive emotions and outcomes. Scripting can be done daily, weekly, or monthly and can be adapted to suit your personal needs and preferences. Some people like to script their entire day, while others focus on specific areas of their life, such as health, career, relationships, etc. The actual purpose of scripting is to help you hammer your desires into your subconscious mind until you believe it's actually true. Guys, I now want to practically show you all how scripting is actually done. To begin, you'll need a diary or a journal, a pen that feels comfortable in your hand, and lastly, a quiet and a peaceful place where you can focus and relax. Now let's get started. Remember, scripting is a personal experience, so make it your own and have fun with it. Happy scripting! Guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for my more upcoming videos. Thank you and bye-bye.